In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Black Flash in Cursed Arena Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly line up and use the Black Flash in Cursed Arena on mobile. Now, a lot of people have said that the Black Flash in Cursed Arena is one of the most annoying ones to get off. The timing is very strict and weird, and I kind of agree, but in this video, I wanted to give you some tips on how to get better at it and how to properly line it up. So first, make sure that you highlight Black Flash. So when you tap on Black Flash, you will see this little red outline indicating that it is ready to be used, and all that you have to do now is tap on the screen to use it. So what I like to do a Black Flash is to tap on the screen, and immediately upon tapping on the screen, I tap it twice. So basically you tap once and then tap again immediately after. If you are able to do it in quick succession and you don't take too long, you should be able to see the Black Flash go off. Now, for this one, like I said, I recommend that you do it earlier. So instead of waiting until your character punches the opponent, just make sure that you tap the screen as soon as the attack connects. You should be able to get it done. You just have to tap the screen again. So tap anywhere on the screen. It doesn't matter if you tap on the enemy, you tap around the enemy. You just have to make sure that you tap on the screen to activate the attack again. And as long as you get the timing right, you will be able to get it off. The worst part is getting the timing of the Black Flash, because like I said in the beginning of the video, this seems to be extremely strict and weird for no reason, but regardless, you should be able to do it after a couple of times. And if you tap on the screen as soon as your character flies forward after you start the attack, you will be good to go. So instead of just tapping once and letting it go for a while, just make sure that you tap, give it a second, and then tap again. If you tap twice right as your character flies forward, you will be able to connect the Black Flash. So make sure that you are lined up well. Tap on the screen once your character goes forward, tap twice, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Black Flash in Cursed Arena Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.